Okay, let's take a look. I am not a fan of this handle, that's for sure. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. We got an upgrade. Let's look at this little one. A little basket, my hand, and I got an upgrade. Looks clean. It's got different things on it here. We can do full wave, semi wave, and degas, whatever the hell that is. So let's try it. Okay. Should probably mention I don't know what I'm doing. You see it? Oh, a little bit down there. Just got the one. Okay. Looks like it's just got the one transducer in there. That's very disappointing. There's two in that one. And it's a fair bit smaller. I don't know. I think we should have a face-off between the two machines. What I got dirty that there's two of. Yep, we're going to do face-off. Little machine versus big machine. Jeez. Right after I change that fluid. We'll see who wins. Okay, let's set our temperature to the same on both. Okay. 80 degrees set. We're at 22. This one doesn't say. We got our victims. Piston number 1, piston number 2. They are about equal in filthiness. Obviously this is brand new, so it's kind of nice and clean. I have beat the snot out of this one. Those are dents. So let's put them in. See which one wins. Doing this one-handed ain't easy. Good. Okay. That water's still cold. Might have an advantage on that one. It's smaller, and I put hot water in it. Okay, this one will only go up to 30 minutes. This one will go up to an hour. We're going to go down. Whoa. Okay, that was unexpected. We'll do 30 minutes on both. I will start them at the same time. Wow. Okay. So this one's got one here and one here. You can see the swirls. I don't know about this one. This is that 28 hertz, I think. And that one, there's no choice. Alright, let's let them run. It's kind of interesting to see, though. We'll let those run for a half hour and see which one comes out cleaner. Okay, let's take a look. I am not a fan of this handle, that's for sure. Well, the water's dirty. Let's look at the Harbor Freight version. It's still dirty. Still oily. Let's look at this one. Still dirty. I think if I had to guess, I'd say this one came out cleaner. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to run them again because it ain't clean. And we're only up to 42 communist degrees. And I want it at 80. This one's at 80. Got to be because it was hot water when I put it in. It's never quiet here. Alright, let me put them back in. We'll run them for another half hour. Okay, it's been about an hour since I turned this camera on. We are still at 66 degrees. And this has been running for 2 hours. So I'm a little disappointed with that. This one heats up way faster. But let's take a look at our... Let's take a good look. We'll turn the O light on. Maybe. Okay. That rod is very, very clean. The cap inside's clean. The babbitt has been attacked a little bit by the looks of it. And the cast iron is... That's pretty clean. This one. The rod is mostly clean. I think we got a tie. So this one didn't. No, this one did. It looks like it ate the babbitt a little bit, which is good to know. Yeah, looks like a tie. The big one takes way too long to heat up, and the little one, well, the little one's too little. Alright, I'm going to load this up again now that we've done our test. We can start in on the rest of these parts. I just wanted to see what it would do first. I've got 3 clean rods, 3 clean pistons. I'm going to have to put this went through that little one, but I'm going to have to do it again. And I want to do the, so it's not clean. I want to do the bands. I want to do this. I don't know if the head would fit in there or not. I don't think it will. Maybe without the basket. Yep. Back to work. There's the results. Cleaning power, tie. Heating power, win. Size, winner.